So you're going to play the 7 chords in the key of C in root position with the left hand. Start with the C major. Move each finger one white key to the right and play D minor. Move to the right, E minor. Keep going, F major, G major, A minor, and B diminished. And then you end up on C major again. So again, play the chords on the left hand in root position, and the right hand is going to play a 5-note scale. So play the C major chord, and the right hand plays, and then move up to the D minor. Again, the same pattern on the right hand. E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and back to C. So if I emphasize the first, third, and fifth note on the right hand for each chord, I can almost make a little melody. And I'm also going to be able to mix them up a little bit. And maybe I won't use all of them. So I'm kind of making a little melody that way. The other thing I could do is use that second and fourth note of that pattern we played before. That second and fourth note are passing notes, and they could further help the melody. For instance, if I played so by using the first, third, and fifth notes of the chord, also known as arpeggio, or using parts of it, or using the passing notes, you can improvise and make your own melodies. Have fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.